So, a live look at the flooding in Portland, Michigan, where ice last night pushed a flow of ice and water into these houses over here on Water Street. If you write your questions, I'll answer the best I can. An ice jam last night caused evacuation of about 50 residents here in Portland. About 20 of those residents took shelter in the Nazarene Church here in town, where the Red Cross set up a station there. You can see water still coming over the road, but the water's actually down now. It's about down to about a foot on the road. Last night it was actually up near waist high, definitely several feet coming across this road right here, where they actually evacuated people by boat. This is in Portland, Michigan, where there's an ice jam, as you can see. And the ice jam just caused a backup of water on the Grand River into these houses here. I'm gonna get a close-up of some of these blocks of ice so you can see just how thick some of these pieces were. We were talking to a couple of people from the U.S. Geological Survey earlier, and they said that the water, well, the ice rather, is about a foot thick in some places. You can see these chunks that push water up. Let's look back towards downtown. So the water rose so quickly last night that they didn't actually, the residents here sometimes weren't even aware until the police were pounding on their door. There's a story on MLive right now that we have up. We talked to Rose, who actually lives in a house up here. And she was awoke about 12:51, I believe she said. And she woke up to police knocking on her door. She walked out, and they actually had to evacuate her by boat. If you have any questions,